Welcome back for episode 2 of Cooking with the KAM Fam. Tonight on the griddle is everyone's favorite sausage. So comment down below, let us know if you have any idea what we are cooking up with this sausage, but I promise you do not want to miss out on the end result, so stick around and enjoy.
Hey, it's Mitch from the KAM Fam, and we're back on the Blackstone. So tonight, see that? Hashtag sausage. So yes, we're gonna cook some sausage, but not just sausage. There's a lot more surprises coming. So you have to stick around to see what else goes in.
Yes, hear that sizzle sizzle. Gonna get a little bit of caramelization on there.
Yes, but make sure, guys, you don't want to miss what the final product's gonna look like. And you might add it to your repertoire as well.
I mean, it is our first time trying this recipe, so we'll see.
So we will let you know at the
Starting
end.
to sprinkle.
Let's hope it doesn't rain too much. We will let you know at the end how it turns out.
All right, before we flip.
If you watch our other cooking video, buttery garlic was good. I mean, I didn't really taste it too much, so.
Right, so I guess we need more.
So we're gonna stick with it. We're gonna garlic it up, buttery it up. And just for good measure, we're gonna hit a little cracked pepper. I know salt on this.
Sausage is salty.
We'll pass on that. Just flipping around. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, see that color? Perfect.
Nice fresh oil from the sausage as well. Ooh, almost lost the sausage. Tortellini with some zucchini and some yellow squash. And we're just going to get this a little bit warmed up, I guess. So that tortellini is frozen. We're sitting out for maybe, what, 10 minutes? A little bit longer?
I would definitely say longer, but it's been sitting out for a little bit.
Hit that stuff up with some more pepper. You want me to drop some oil on that too? Or?
Yes.
Right. So we use avocado oil.
No, it doesn't taste like avocado. But that would be delicious.
And there is
no sausage in it.
No sausage in it, and no, what's the inside of the avocado doing?
Pit.
The pit, there's no pit.
Nope. No seed, no pit.
Alright, so let's try to smooth this tortellini out a little bit. Trying to run to my sausage.
We do tend to cook out a lot more in the summer when we have time.
We also cook in the winter, in the spring, the fall. Because let's be honest, in Texas, it's warm all year round.
Yes, as I was telling the girls on our way home from the park this afternoon, and it was super hot. We just tend to eat home more in the summer because we have time to cook, and by we I mean you. So
tortellini is getting a little bit of color to it from the sausage. Some half moon zucchini, like half moon kiwi.
oh,
That tortellini's been cooking for
just a few minutes.
Now we're gonna dump in some mushrooms.
Cleaned mushrooms, sliced, ready to go.
Alright, so now we're gonna start getting everything mixed up together. We're gonna start making a meal. Because right now we got a little bit of separation. No separation here. Everything's going together. So roll in the sausage. Ooh.
It's the grill master at work. Very focused.
So we've never on a Carnival cruise. We've never been on a cruise ship that has like the
Hibachi,
teppanyaki or whatever they call it, I believe it is.
which is hibachi.
Which is hibachi, yes. So we have to do this at home.
I see a sausage on the run.
I'm not getting out of here. More butter garlic because we're going to make sure we taste it this time. Hopefully it's not too much.
Hopefully.
That's looking perfect. You keep spinning this stuff over.
Alright, there's a few more ingredients to go. The next one our kids will probably complain about.
Some of you might wrinkle your nose at it too.
Me?
Karen used to wrinkle her nose at it.
What?
Tomatoes.
That's not what's going on next.
Oh yeah, never mind. Guys, I don't even know the recipe. I'm just here to cook. Y'all just ignore me.
We are trying.
There's like no waffle in
We are trying is what I was told.
We are trying. Alright, so the next ingredient to go on is some color.
We're gonna add up some
A whole
Popeyes.
bag of spinach. That's 8 ounces.
Stuff's just gonna drop right in. You got 8 ounces of spinach.
Is a lot, but it will shrivel.
That is.
Strawberries.
You can have spinach, girl. Spinach is what's good for you. We're just gonna roll this in.
Yep, this will shrink down,
Mommy, I want to blow bubbles.
but not while the food's cooking. I know you want to, but I don't want soap in my food. So you can see it, it's starting slowly.
The Girl Scout.
Up of this goodness. Or what we're hoping is goodness. The spinach really needs to shrink down a little bit more.
Yeah, I think we got more. Turn the burners up. We're getting a little too chilly. I can feel the heat over here. Is that just you?
It's getting there. Maybe we should have cut the spinach a little.
Well,
We're gonna live and learn through this. Big chunks, they can take it out themselves. We're gonna make them try it first.
alright guys, that's the sound of goodness. So the spinach is looking good. We're gonna go to the next step, which is some tomatoes.
Some color, more color.
So little cherry tomatoes just cut in half. We're gonna start tossing this around. This right here is like a gourmet meal at a restaurant. Charge you a whole lot of money. And overall, this is not too expensive.
Unless we don't like it and have to throw it away, then it was pretty expensive.
Yeah, so
But we're gonna like it. It'll be
we're gonna
great.
eat it no matter what, whether you like it or not.
Right, it's on the summer budget.
'Cause we got some cruises to pay for, y'all.
We're trying to book more. We need to
Right.
get ready.
We're booking 2026, and then as soon as that 2027
On the
last
lookout
comes
for
out,
2027.
So
And if I could make the ungroup, unhinged, everything cruise,
if we can make that work, it's gonna be a 2027 to remember.
yeah. Yeah, it would be. It would be fun.
So yes, if you are not part of that group cruise,
Right. Maybe they should plan another one, too.
right, let's do round 2. We just gotta pick it at the right time.
Right. And let us give you the dates.
Right. And we can't do it 3 years in advance. 'Cause
I don't have my
kids are all
schedule.
gone.
I need my schedule that far in advance. All right, so this is looking good. We got lots of color. It looks very summery. There's no sauce that goes over this. It's all the flavors melding together. But the true piece of resistance.
And now we're about to add the last step.
Well, technically, the last step was mozzarella balls, like fresh
We got
mozzarella
no
balls.
mozzarella balls here. Only
I didn't
shredded.
know if the kids would eat that, so we went the cheaper route, and we're just gonna put mozzarella on it.
And I'm just mozzarella on the whole top, or what?
Yep. So, if you recall anything about us, we are from the...
KAM Fam.
Anyone? Anyone?
From the north.
Yes, the Midwest. And there, you put cheese on everything. So,
All right, Kevin, take this cheese in.
we are definitely
Mommy,
sticking...
can I have raspberries?
After dinner, I said. I know, my answer hasn't changed. You gotta show me you eat dinner first, and then you can have some.
All right, roll it or let it simmer down for a bit.
Let's let it melt first.
All right, so we're gonna close the lid. And we're back in a flash.
Wow.
All right, guys.
Da-da.
Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's starting to melt. So we are going to flip stuff over or no? Just roll this thing all together. Gosh.
And of course, there'll probably be more cheese put on inside. Because somebody
Love
likes
cheese.
extra. Alright, and here we are. Ready to put on the platter. We're eating inside tonight. Because they complained there were 15 mosquito bites last night. I think they exaggerated a little bit.
Okay, here, you gotta.
Kevlin has already given her, ew, that's what we're eating. So let's hope she
I'm
eats
looking
it.
forward to this thing. It's gonna be delicious. As if you can get some paper towels.
All right, so again, what we have to do is scrape off your Blackstone, clean it up, burn all this off.
Try a bite. Had a few bites already. Overall, it's pretty good. So I did add a little bit of ranch seasoning to mine. I think it brings out some more flavor in it.
Definitely not overly buttery, garlicky.
Yeah, don't be afraid to season it up. Like we didn't want to overkill it, but hit the seasoning hard. Because
Yeah.
you gotta remember, pasta usually has a sauce to it, and there's no sauce, so you're lacking that.
It's just all the flavorings together.
But yes, you can taste the tomatoes.
Or you can
taste
add
the
sauce
spinach.
like McKenna did.
Yeah, but this is our house, not a cruise
That's
ship.
what I call tomato
Right,
sauce.
we are not on a cruise ship. That just means we have to clean up.
Mom, you clean up.
But I would definitely have a
It's good. I'm still working on it. We still have a lot left. But look at this. Even someone else. Is it good?
I think like it's good, but this is like an story.
Alright guys, well we're gonna finish this up. So if you don't check us out, Sunday night, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, coming out with the KAM Fam. You never know what we're gonna talk about, but we will talk about cruising at some point. Until then, see y'all later.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, bye!